This would be a speed test between the OnePlus 7T versus the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. Now the 7T has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. The regular 855 is on the K20 Pro. They both have 8 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android 10, Oxygen OS on the 7T, and MIUI here on the K20 Pro. So this should be a pretty good matchup. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Powered by Android. As you can see on the 7T, also powered by Android, obviously on the K20 Pro. So let's just check out which one has the faster boot up. Ooh, K20 Pro boots up hella fast. Wow, look at that. Nice and quick. There we go. And we are in. All right, I'm gonna swipe over here where all the apps are. And as you can see, no recent items on the 7T and no recent items. You can barely see that, but that's what it says on the K20 Pro. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, give that to the OnePlus. Messages, tie on that one. And then we'll open the camera app. We'll do it like this. See the viewfinder. A little bit faster on the right. All right, let's go ahead and start the clock on both. Whoops, my bad. Gotta clear that. Okay, try that again. Go. About the same. Let's see, let's go to the stopwatch right now. Start that up, leave that running in the background. Let's go ahead and open Chrome. All right, let's go ahead and do a search for, I don't know, Apple. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Isn't that a saying, I think? All right, anyway, let's go ahead. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Go. And let's see, ooh, about the same really. Let's see, learn more on the iPhone 11 Pro. And then check out the browser performance. So you can see this animation here, the iPhone. So overall about the same. I'm gonna pinch to zoom, check that out. Okay, now I have the feeling the pinch to zoom will be a lot smoother on the 7. And it is. Nice and smooth. Zoom in on the camera right there. Versus this one. Yeah, 90 Hz display on the OnePlus definitely makes a difference. Let's go to GSM Arena. And then go. Check this one out. Oh, a little bit faster on the right. We'll just click on this one. Nice and fast. Cannot zoom in. All right, that's fine. Check out the scrolling, and then we'll go to the desktop version. And ooh, about the same. Slow down the video for me if you see a difference, but very similar performance really between the two. But one thing I will say is the pinch to zoom, much smoother on the OnePlus. 90 Hz display makes a big difference in that regard. Calculator, ooh, very close. You guys are the judges. Play Store, oh, nice and fast on both. Click on this one, and then let's see, we'll click on this one. My favorite app of them all. We'll go ahead and install this, check it out. Actually, change my mind, we'll just leave it there. Amazon. Man, can't tell the difference. Maybe fast on the 7 on this one, but I don't know. About the same. We'll click on this and click on this again. Identical. Click on this. Okay, I'm not seeing that big of a difference. Again, you guys are the judges. Slow down the video if you want. Let's see, this one. Oh, a little bit faster on the right. Tap to begin. Oh! This one. Loading on both. Oh, very close. Got the Christmas theme going on. Let's see. Ooh, a little bit faster on the left. No thanks to this, and get rid of that. There we go. And then this one, Angry Birds. Starting up and logging in. I think the OnePlus is ahead. Let's check it out. Oh no! Oh no, the K20 caught up. Ooh, that was interesting. Give the win to the K20 on that one. That was interesting. Initially, I thought the 7T was gonna win, but the K20 caught up. Check this one out. Asphalt 9 Legends. Okay. Oh! Very close. And where's the, I'm not seeing the play button on this one. What is happening here? Okay. Am I crazy, or where's the play button here? There we go. That was weird. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, come on, come on. Yeah, I gotta be honest, this swipe gesture here on Android 10, they're trying to make it like the iPhone. I don't know if I like that or not. To be honest, gotta just check out the PUBG. Mandatory game I check out in this video. Okay, I think the 7T is out in front a little bit here. Hearing noise in 7T first. Loading on both. Will K20 catch up again? Nope, it does not. Get rid of this. We'll give the win to the 7T. Okay, get rid of that. What is all this? Oh my gosh, get rid of that. Yeah, I don't like this swipe gesture. I mean, see? I don't know. This one? Oh, 7T a little bit ahead. Let's see, where's that picture? I think it's this one. Yeah, this is an 8K image on both phones. Go ahead and choose free because I'm cheap, and then autumn. And then we'll jack this filter up all the way. Click on this. All right, we'll save the gallery, see which one does it faster. Go. And, ooh, so close. I think the K20 Pro was out in front by a split second. You guys are the judges. Twitter. And give that to the 7T. IG. 7T again. WhatsApp. Draw. And finally, Snapchat. Very close. All right, let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. I do like how Xiaomi does their app switching here. Very unique. So we'll just go ahead and run through these apps again, see if there's any differences. Twitter. Okay, looking good so far. Here's the PUBG. Asphalt 9. Pretty good. And then this one, Angry Birds 2. Am I doing this right? Yup. There we go. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. No reloads yet. Nice and Mario time on both. Nice and fast on both. And then eBay, same place. Amazon. Whoops. Same place on that. And then the Play Store. No lags yet. Calculator. There you have it. Chrome. Still on GSM Arena. On both. Clock. Stopwatch still running. And then the camera. We'll go ahead and just do it like this. Ooh, you guys are the judges. And then let's see, we do have the messages. That was an interesting one. Think faster on the 7T. And finally, the phone app. A little bit faster on the 7T. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus? Do you have yourself the OnePlus 7T Pro? Or are you a baller and have the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition? Or are you a Xiaomi fan Do you like Xiaomi phones? Like this Xiaomi K20 Pro, the Xiaomi Mi 9, Mi 9T, or do you have yourself a Xiaomi Mi Mix, those series of phones? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.